So in this video we're going to talk about the Oppo Find N5, which is the latest released foldable mobile, which can give a good competition to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. So let's start with this mobile's display. It comes with two displays. Obviously, when it is in unfolded condition like this, it comes with a 8.12 inches of LTPO OLED display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate supported Dolby Vision supported display, and it also supports HDR10+. And when it is in unfolded like a normal mobile situation, it comes with a 6.62 inches of same LTPO OLED display, and it is a HDR10+ supported Dolby Vision supported 120Hz refresh rate display. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, it comes with almost like 17 5G bands. And when we talk about this mobile's operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 15 out of the box with the ColorOS latest version, because this is an Oppo mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's availability, like this mobile is available in different variants like 12GB RAM 256 and 16GB RAM 512GB, 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. These are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM times. So we can expect a great performance from this mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, it comes with a 5600 mAh of battery, and it supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless, and reverse wireless charge also. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like it's a complete metal and glass build body. This mobile comes with a like connectivity. When you talk about the connectivity, this model comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, NFC. It comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, everything. And when we talk about this mobile's camera, which is the most important section which we need to discuss, that this mobile comes with the triple rear cameras, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Telephoto zoom camera, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, both in the normal mobile orientation, it comes with the 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. So these are some of the features of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and it also comes with the 8 megapixels of front facing selfie camera in the unfolded situation, and also in the folded situation also it comes with the same 8 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. So I would say that this mobile is on paper looking like a fantabulous mobile, and it is also claiming that this is the thinnest foldable smartphone. So in the next video I'm gonna compare it with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. So wait until the mobile that video releases, and I will also leave a link to this mobile in the description box down below. You can directly go and purchase it from there. By the way, if you're watching the video until now, hit the subscribe button and also the like button and share this video. And one more important thing, that this mobile price, it's the important thing. This mobile starting price range of this mobile starts at 1,30,000 rupees. So for that amount of price range, I don't know if you can buy it. So that's it for the video.